sir, right here, baby, right here. Mr. Quiles. Alright, we got the taco trucks. You guys support the taco trucks. Before I say anything else, please like and subscribe. You know, smash that like button right there. You see that like button? Thank you, baby. So right here, we got 2 tacos to the side. They're looking pretty damn good. I think this is more like a portion size that you'll find more in Mexico, where the tortillas a little bit smaller. So we got corn tortillas. We got a lot of fucking meat on there. We got cilantro seville like it should be. You already know that. And they give you a little lime and onion. Like, come on. You give me that, I'm gonna put it on. You know what I'm saying? Give me that, I'm gonna put it on. Alright, let's give it a try. Mr. Quiles, baby, Mr. Quiles. Motherfucking hot. Oh, yeah, motherfucking hot. Fresh off the flat iron. A little fat in there, but you know, a little fat never kills anybody. We're gonna do 6.6. You know, I like the fact that it's well proportioned. You know, they threw me the lime, threw me the onion, take that into consideration. But I could taste the grease a lot from like it being like, I guess maybe like, since it's like they're cooked on a flat iron, I feel like I can taste a lot of the grease. But the meat's cooked well. It's not dry. It's nice and moist. Cilantro wheels on there. But overall, since I can taste a lot of that grease, 6.6 is what I said, right? 6.6. That's it. That's the review for Mr. Quiles. We're gonna go on to the next one right here. Let's stack out. Let's get it, baby.